Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Gumroad. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gumroad.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will give you access to your dashboard where you can manage all your sales and payment settings. After logging in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it to reveal a menu, and from the options that appear, select Settings. This is where you can configure all the important details for your Gumroad account, including how you receive your earnings. Now, once you're in the Settings area, look at the top menu. You'll notice several tabs available. Click on Payments. This section is specifically designed to help you set up and manage how you want to receive your payouts from Gumroad, so it's essential to configure this properly to ensure your earnings reach you smoothly. Here you'll see that Gumroad offers you two payout methods, bank account or PayPal. Each method has its own advantages depending on your preferences and location. For this tutorial, we'll select bank account as the payout method. This option allows you to receive your funds directly into your bank account, which many creators prefer for easier access to their earnings. Next, you'll need to enter your bank credentials to complete the setup. Start by entering your BIC, which is your bank identifier code. This code ensures that the funds are routed to the correct financial institution. Then, enter your account number. Make sure this is accurate, as any mistake here could delay or prevent your payout from reaching you. After that, fill in your first and last name exactly as they appear on your bank account. This is crucial for verification purposes. Then, enter your address, followed by your city and postal code. These details help Gumroad verify your identity and ensure compliance with financial regulations. Next, select your country from the drop-down menu. This information is necessary for international payment processing. Then, enter your phone number. Gumroad may use this to contact you if there are any issues with your payout. Finally, enter your date of birth. This is another important verification step that helps secure your account and prevent fraud. And that's it. You've successfully set up your withdrawal method on Gumroad, and your earnings will now be sent directly to your bank account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.